in charge.
What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? That's loud. Hurts my ears.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis
A
has
tornado.
issued a tornado warning for northeastern Davies County, Greene County, northern Martin County until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight